We're going to measure AC voltage on our panel here. Since I'm working with voltages over 50 volts, I have to follow the arc flash requirements put forth by the NFPA. So I am wearing arc flash rated gloves, I have my liners, and I have my leather protectors. I have a category 2 jacket, I have my face shield, my safety glasses, my hard hat. I have to have all these on when I'm working with a live circuit. First, I want to check to make sure that I have the correct amount of voltage coming into my panel. I've set my meter to alternating current. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put one lead on the ground and one lead on a hot leg coming in. Right now I'm registering 118 volts on phase 1, 119 on phase 2, and 118 on phase 3. I want to make sure that all three phases are nearly the same voltage. Then I can check phase to phase. I have 208 from between phase 1 and phase 2, 206 between phase 1 and 3, and 208. What I'm looking for is an unbalance in voltage. If I want to check to make sure my fuses are working correctly, I can check to the top of the fuse. I have 119 coming in. I have 119 going out. 120, 120. Another way to check fuses to make sure that they are good is to go from the top and the bottom. I see a reading of 0. A reading of 0. And a reading of 0. That is the reading that I should see if the fuse is good, because I have created 0 difference in potential between the top and the bottom of the fuse. When you're measuring AC voltage, you are measuring a difference in potential. That's why when I go from the ground to the bottom of the fuse, I see 120 volts. But when I go between the two legs, I see 0. There is 0 difference between this point and that point. So if your fuse is good, you should see 0. I can use this same philosophy and I can trace through a circuit, where do I have voltage, where am I losing voltage. When troubleshooting a circuit, using your ladder diagram, using your digital multimeter, you should be able to trace your voltage through a circuit till you find where you lose power, and there is your problem.